At first glance, it looks like an ordinary photo shoot. But photographers, artists, and museum curators see something completely different. Every light, every shadow, every pose is chosen for a reason. Some viewers call it controversial, others call it timeless art. Before you judge these photographs, you need to understand the story behind them. Because once you notice the hidden artistic details, you'll never look at fine art photography the same way again. The subject would not just be the model, but the light itself, how it spills through a window, how it traces the line of a jaw, and creates soft, gentle shadows that suggest depth and mystery. The story would not be one of grand action, but of small, almost invisible moments. A woman in private reverie, her gaze turned away, lost in a world just beyond the frame. This vision was not about taking a pretty picture. It was about crafting an atmosphere, a visual poem. The viewer should feel they've stumbled upon a quiet, personal moment, to pause and feel the tranquility of the scene. With the core vision in mind, Yulia began planning, gentle guidance, not rigid rules. She created a mood board, both physical and digital, a visual symphony of her thoughts. It held Vermeer and Rembrandt for their masterful, soft, directional light. Creams, dusty blues, and warm ochres. Notes, snippets of poetry, and films known for their quiet, deliberate pacing. The mood board became her compass for every decision. She searched for a simple, evocative stage with large, north-facing windows, worn wooden floors, off-white walls, quiet personality. The architecture itself would play a subtle role in her visual story. Minimalism by intent, a slow, ambient classical playlist to keep the atmosphere calm and focused. Preparation, the unseen architecture, defined colors, textures, light, and even sound. The stage was set, waiting for the story to unfold. With the stage set, Yulia turned to details, the wardrobe chosen as deliberately as the location. Texture and form over trend, simple, flowing natural fabrics. Colors pulled straight from the mood board to catch light and fold into soft shadows. Props like words in a poem, small, specific, full of meaning. Storytelling tools, not filler, each meant to be touched, held, considered. The model, Elena, was chosen for subtle expression. This was not posing, but inhabiting a feeling. Yulia arranged elements, testing book on table, then on the floor, watching light shift. Each decision, a brushstroke. Simple wardrobe, meaningful props, prepared model, a harmonious whole, tuned for the conductor, the light. The quiet orchestra is ready. The heart of Yulia's process is her relationship with light. She treats light not as illumination, but as her primary medium. She began in the soft, ethereal morning, observing how light sculpted Elena's form. At times, a gentle halo, at others, a step back into contemplative shadow. No complex strobes, just a white board to lift shadows and preserve low contrast, painterly softness. As the day progressed, she adapted, embracing warmer hues, subtle modeling reminiscent of delicate Renaissance chiaroscuro. As dusk approached, a single low-watt tungsten source introduced warm counterpoint to cool twilight. Warm and cool interplay added emotional depth, daylight, patiently painted. With light sculpted, Yulia guided gently, narrative prompts instead of rigid poses. Movement turns organic, expression sincere, alive. She hunted the small, in-between moments. Simplicity and balance, off-center framing and soft window light draw us to the human element. Architecture guides the eye, to Elena's face, to her hands. A full frame with an 85 wide open, eyes tack sharp, world melts to painterly blur. She shoots, reviews, breathes, checking focus, light, composition. A feedback loop keeping both aligned to the vision. Not hundreds of random frames, but the few moments when everything aligns. The quiet story reveals itself. The story continues in post, like a painter's final glazes. She seeks the quietest moments, authentic gestures, and the most beautiful play of light. Shooting raw gives headroom, Subtle exposure and contrast. Highlights tamed, shadows soft and detailed. Warm earth tones, muted blues, enhancing the natural light, never faking it. Luminous real skin, softened without erasing life. A whisper of vignette to cradle the gaze and intimacy. Grain adds organic texture, bridging digital to timeless. Each image tuned with the others, so they live in the same world, the same story. Meticulous, invisible artistry honoring the initial vision. Photographs becoming fine art. The culmination of planning, lighting, direction, and editing is the final gallery. It invites us into her private world. Each photograph a complete thought, yet they speak, deepening the story. No loud colors, no drama. The beauty lies in stillness and exquisite light. The line between photography and painting blurs. These images evoke a feeling, proof that power comes from a clear idea, not elaborate gear. Themes of solitude, memory, and the profound in the ordinary. Windows into a quiet, beautiful world first born in a notebook. With a gentle hand and a clear vision, the moment is captured, held forever within the frame.